Demonstrative adjectives do kind of what the name says. They demonstrate which one you're talking about. And so hopefully that might help you remember what they are, but that's not the biggest deal with these. What's most important is to know how to use them. So, right, they demonstrate which thing or which person you're referring to. These are adjectives, so remember adjectives always have to agree in gender, which means masculine or feminine, and number, which means singular and plural. Okay, so whatever the noun is, so if we're talking about this house, house is feminine. So the word this must also be feminine. Okay, so these are the ones that mean that and those. Ese, esa, esos, and esas. Okay, and here's a more defined kind of which ones mean what down here. So you can kind of look to either place. Up here and down below in this chart are the same exact thing. So we have ese, esa, aquel, and aquella. Those are all the things that mean that. I'll tell you the difference here in just a second. Esos, esas, aquellos, and aquellas all mean those. Este and esta mean this. Notice when it means this, there's no accent on the A. When it means he is or she is, you'll see an accent there. Estos, estas, los dos, or las dos. Okay, now when you're actually using them, I'm going to use this chart and this picture of coats to show you, because this is actually one of your vocab for this unit, so that'll help you. Okay, when we say aquella, and I have jackets and coats here, but same basic thing. So aquella is the one that's furthest away. So aquella chaqueta would be one that's like over here somewhere, like way back here. So if I said, ¿Te gusta ese abrigo? Do you like that coat? And I point to this one right here. You could say, no, me gusta aquello. Well, aquella, if it's chaqueta. So see, notice abrigo is masculine and chaqueta is feminine. So let's put these, I'll put these in a highlight so you see the difference. Okay, so now you can see pretty clearly. So these ones at the top are all feminine. So if I say that one over there, if I said, do you want that coat? I would say, ¿Quieres or te gusta esa chaqueta? And you say, no, me gusta aquella chaqueta. Now, I could say the same sentence to you asking about if I wanted to call it a coat. I could say, ¿Te gusta ese abrigo? And you could say, no, me gusta aquel abrigo, the one way over there. So even though this one means that, ese means that, and aquel means that, the indication is that aquel is the one way over there, and aquella is the one way over there, and ese and esa, those are the ones that are right nearby. Okay? Now, the rest of these are a little bit easier to differentiate between. So, esta chaqueta, this jacket, right? So, esta, no, me gusta esta, and one that's even closer. You could say, ¿te gusta esa chaqueta? No, me gusta aquella chaqueta. ¿Te gusta esta chaqueta? Sí, right? So this is esta, this one right here. This is esa, that one that's still close by, but over there. And aquella chaqueta is the one that's way down there. Now, if I wanted to say te gusta una chaqueta, that could be that could be any jacket in the whole place, because I'm just saying a jacket. So let's do the same thing with abrigo, calling it coat. So if I wanted to say, do you like this coat? I would say, ¿te gusta este abrigo? Right? This coat, or I could say, ¿te gusta? And I'm looking at the brown one. I could say, ese abrigo. ¿Te gusta este or ese? This one or that one? You could say, no me gusta ese abrigo, este abrigo. No me gusta ese abrigo. Me gusta aquel abrigo. That one way over there. Or you could say, I like all of those. Me gusta estos. Those ones way over there on that side. Right? So you can see kind of the difference. We really can interchange that, these, those, use them the same way that we use them in English. But the big distinction is between aquella, which is way over there, and esa, which is that one that's still nearby. So just keep looking at these as you're trying to create your own sentences or answer questions, and just keep repeating them. This takes a while to learn these because they're so close. So keep using this chart until they kind of sink in.